What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alex Costa and today I want to share some of the habits that I've developed to help me achieve everything that I've achieved so far in life. And trust me, I am not where I want to be yet. I still have a long way to go, but I want to share things that have helped me so far. And usually when you watch these videos on YouTube, you hear things like I wake up at 3:30 in the morning, then I take a very cold shower, meditate for 45 minutes. We're not going to talk about that today. We're going to talk about weird things that have helped me achieve what I've achieved. Surprising, unconventional habits that I've developed that really help me out. And by the way, if you enjoyed this video, my name is Alex. Welcome to my channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below and join our YouTube family. So let's start with the first habit here. That is talking to people. And this is tough for people who are maybe just very shy, who don't really want to talk to people, who are more a lone wolf kind of person, which I definitely was growing up. But I learned that the more you communicate with people, the more you talk to people and understand where they come from, what they're all about, what they need, what their problems are, then you can find solutions. Then you can find friends, right? It's all business ideas, it's all social exchanges that really help you grow as a person and as a businessman. If I could not communicate properly, I would not be able to be making these videos right now, shooting these videos and talking to you. Even though I'm talking to a camera right now, I know there's thousands of people watching, and I need to make sure that my communication skills are up to par. And don't even get me started as to how important having a great network of people is, right? Meeting new people is incredible because you all of a sudden expand your network, you meet respectable, intelligent, successful people, right? And all of a sudden your network is now worth a lot. Now, the second weird habit that got me to where I am today was playing video games. I don't know if you know this, but I started this very YouTube channel here as a gamer, showing you guys gameplay and talking about video games. If you go back far enough, those videos are still there. And I'm actually pretty excited because today's video sponsor is an actual video game. Raid Shadow Legends, one of the most popular games right now, and I'm not just saying this, they have the numbers to prove it. Over 1 million daily active users and 56 million downloads, which is absolutely insane. Those numbers are crazy. It's a champion collector RPG style game, and they have hundreds of champions in the game. And now with Halloween fast approaching, they have Raid's spooky Halloween champions like Madame Ceres. And look, I'm no simp, guys, you know that. But if for some reason I was to simp for someone, it would be for Madame Ceres, all right? For obvious reasons. I mean, she's a badass, she's strong, she's fit, right? And she seems like she would break my heart. So, you know, Madame Ceres, hit me up. Harvest Jack is another spooky Halloween champion, certainly not as pleasing to the eyes as Madame Ceres, but you can tell he's strong. He carries skulls around his neck, which means he means business. And of course, we have Rhodos, the last groom. He's got the best fashion sense out of all the spooky champions by far, with an outfit that probably could have done well at the Met Gala. Now, as with most champion collector RPG games, you want to level your champions up and get them to the highest level as soon as possible so that you can unlock their full strength, their attacks, and the fastest way to level your champions is through farming the campaigns. So you grind XP, you get loads of silver at the same time, and you level up your champions. Now, this game is multi-platform, so you can literally play on PC, Mac, you can play on Android and iOS, and you can go from playing on your PC at home to playing on mobile on the go on the same account, on the same profile, which is pretty awesome. Guys, this month, Raid has a non-stop schedule for special events, activities, including an absolutely jam-packed Halloween lineup towards the end of the month. We're talking big rewards, tournaments against other players, special fragment events to get some brand new legendary champions, including one very spooky Halloween champion that's coming out, and so much more. If you want to get a huge head start in Raid, all you have to do is hit that link in the description below or scan this QR code right here and you get an epic hero, Chonuro. You get 200,000 silver, 1 XP boost, 1 energy refill, and 1 ancient shard so that you can summon an awesome champion as soon as you get in the game. And by the way, that treasure is going to be waiting for you right here. Thank you, Raid, for sponsoring today's video. Make sure to hit that first link in the description below to download the free game. And it's so cool to be talking about games here on the channel again. It's like you have this weird feeling, you know, going back in time almost. I wonder if I could maybe play some games on the channel, on a different channel. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And let's move on to the next weird item that has definitely helped my career. And it sounds ridiculous, it really does, but watching makeup tutorials have accidentally and actually helped me develop as a person and as a YouTuber. Now here's the thing, I wasn't watching any makeup tutorials for me. At the time, I was actually looking for inspiration from other YouTubers who had done it for a long time. You know, there's a lot of YouTubers who have done YouTube for a very long time and they know what they're doing. And you know, I've been doing YouTube for 10 years, but I started as a gamer and that was kind of my aesthetic in the beginning. But as I wanted to expand into real life things with, you know, actual really good cameras and lighting and editing and all of that, I started looking outside of gaming because gaming was just the gameplay with the little face cam. The other creators, the beauty creators especially, had to get their video quality to be amazing, right? To showcase the details in their skin and makeup and etc. So I started watching it to see what kind of background they had, what kind of camera equipment they had. I started to buy similar camera equipment, similar lighting equipment. I was like, what camera do you use? I was literally stalking these people's lives, trying to understand how they could make YouTube videos look so good. It also made me understand the YouTube audience a little bit better. I would read the comments and I would try to understand what was too long. You know, some of those videos were 30 minutes long. They're doing makeup for 30 minutes. And I'm like, is that too long? I would read the comments and try to understand how to treat my audience, how I could make my audience happy. And trust me, these beauty influencers, I mean, a lot of them have a massive audience, right? So for me as an up and coming YouTuber, I was like, well, okay, I really need to make sure that I'm following their footsteps. Of course, completely different content, but still, the video quality, the audience, it all needed to be on par. You should maybe watch something that is going to add things to your life, that's going to benefit your life, whether it's your career or your social life, or just you as a person, make you grow as a person. Instead of watching something that is mildly entertaining while you're on your phone watching Netflix or something like that, you know, try to watch something that's actually going to give you some benefits, that's actually going to make you grow as a person, and that's going to add something to your career instead. And think outside the box. I mean, who knew that makeup tutorials would help me grow as a YouTuber who was at the time doing vlogs and gaming? This next one is for you guys who are messy, and I know for a fact there's a lot of you. I know for a fact. So many of my friends are super messy. And look, it's okay to be messy. What I will say though is that being organized has helped me so much. Because being organized, once your space is organized, first of all, your head, your mental space will be a lot more focused because you're not looking around and being distracted by so many things around you. All those papers, the TV is on, you have things, you know, on top of your counter, you have things on your computer desk, your computer desktop looks insane, there's a lot of folders everywhere, you don't know where things are. That takes up a lot of head space, right? But if everything is organized, then you can focus. There's nothing distracting you. So I'm a huge advocate for being organized, for being neat. And of course, there's other benefits to being organized. Your place will be clean and organized, it's going to look good, you'll be proud of it, and you're not gonna be embarrassed when people come over. But to me, most importantly, you're gonna be able to focus on whatever it is that you want to do without having to look around and feel like there's too much going on. That's what's important to me. That makes a huge difference. That goes for your office, your car, your bedroom, you know, everything around you. Make sure that you are being as organized as possible, and trust me, your life will be better. Now, most of you probably know that I'm an immigrant. I came to the United States when I was 13 years old from Brazil. So of course, I didn't speak English very well. And like I said, I learned a few English words, a lot of English words from The Sims, from playing other games. But you know what really helped me learn English? Music. I basically, I swear I learned how to speak English by listening to Red Hot Chili Peppers, the album Californication. Now, I would sing along to these songs. I would have my Walkman, right? And I would have the little pamphlet, and I would just lay in bed reading, right? And kind of putting the sound of the word to the written word itself and try to understand what they were. And it's funny looking back now because the lyrics, a lot of them make no sense, but I was getting, you know, the pronunciation properly. I was just reading English a lot. It wasn't a book. It wasn't something that was really adding a lot to but it also wasn't too complicated, you know, and I think that's why I learned looking back now. And this is a realization that I just had. I think it was just because it was simple, right? I'm just reading something, I'm having fun. It didn't feel like I was studying. I was doing it in a way that I enjoyed. It wasn't a task for me because I actually really liked it. The same way that if you perform whatever it is that you want to perform, your tasks, right? With music, it makes you more efficient. When you're working out, to hype up music, it's going to make you work out harder. Right? If you have some hip hop or EDM or whatever it is that hypes you up and you're working out, you're gonna work out harder. You're gonna feel energized. Same way that if you're stressed out and you throw on some Michael Bublé, John Mayer, or whatever type of relaxing music you enjoy, you will relax down, you will calm down, right? I have a sleeping playlist that I play before I go to sleep every single night that just mellows me out, makes me want to go to bed. And I absolutely love the power that music has. So you harvest that power, into everything that you do every single day, whether you want to be energized, you want to be focused, or you want to be relaxed. Music is here to help. So those are some unconventional methods that have really helped me grow as a person and get to where I am today, and hopefully get much farther in life. Now, if you're ready to download the free game Raid, make sure to check that first link in the description below or use this QR code right here. And of course, for more fashion and lifestyle videos, subscribe, man. Join the YouTube family that keeps growing. You can also find me on TikTok and Instagram. It's @Alex Costa. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again very, very soon.